Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Backbenchers Classroom. In this video, I'm going to show you how to speed up your laptop or desktop computer in Windows 11. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please do subscribe the channel Backbenchers Classroom and hit the bell icon. And you can find us using this hashtag on the internet. So without wasting time, let's get started. So guys, as you know, the Windows 11 is very heavy software in the market as like Windows 10. So let's show you something. First, right click over here and then open the task manager and track this usage. Okay, if you found your disk usage is very high, then I would recommend you to use SSD rather than using hard disk drive on your system. Okay, and if you have SSD already installed on your system, then I'm sure you won't see high disk usage on your computer. Okay, and then track CPU and memory usage. If you click like this, it will show you whether your system performance consuming. If you found any unnecessary process here, you can simply add the task to increase the performance. Okay, and then go to the startup. From here, you can find the startup programs. When you turn on your computer, those programs will automatically run on the background. Okay, as you can see, Microsoft Edge, I have already disabled it. Here, Lenovo hotkey, I don't require this one. So in this case, just right click on the program and simply disable it like this. Okay, that's how you can disable unnecessary files or programs from here. By doing this, you will increase your computer performance definitely. Now let's close this taskbar. Now guys, let's go to the setting. Right click start menu again and open the setting options. Okay, after opening it, click on power and battery option. If you are using laptop, even you can find this option on desktop as well. Just click on it and here as you can see power mode is balanced. Okay, just click on it and set as best performance. Okay, so it will increase your computer performance 100%. After that, back to the system again. Now go to the storage options, click on it. Here as you can see some junk file list here. You need to clean this junk files. Okay, just click on it, click to remove the files. Okay, that's how you can remove this unnecessary files to speed up your system. Again back to the system and then click on this nearby sharing. Guys, if you found this on, just click over here to turn it off. Okay, then go to the app section, click on app and feature option and then uninstall unnecessary program or files that you don't need. Okay, then back to the app again, click on optional features and from here you can also uninstall those services that you don't require. Okay, now go to the privacy and security section and click on general option. Now if this list are on, just turn it off. Okay, now go to the system again and click for this, go to the about section. Okay, and then click on advanced system setting option. It will open this pop-up window. From here as you can see the performance option, just click on it and here click this option. Okay, adjust for best performance and then go to the advanced option and then from here you can set your virtual memory, which is a kind of RAM. I have already explained this in my another video, so you can find the link in the description. Okay, by going to the change option you can set the virtual memory. Okay, now click on the visual effect again. After the clicking on here, just simply click on apply and then click on OK button to apply the setting. Okay, now click OK here and close this window. And guys, go to the this PC options, open it And remember, if you are using SSD in your system, then don't require this method, or else try this. Right click on your system file where operating system is installed. Okay, now click on properties. Now click on tools option and then click on optimize option and do the optimization on your C drive. Okay, so guys, that's how you can increase your Windows 11 performance on your computer. If you like the video, please do subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.